Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today I'm making homemade pizza. Now earlier in the week I made some homemade pizza dough and I followed all of the instructions of the dough guy if you've seen him on YouTube. And I'll show you how I did that in another video. But today I'm going to walk you through how I make a sausage pepperoni pizza. So let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. So I've taken my dough portion out of the refrigerator and I've let it set at room temperature for several hours. And this makes it easier to work with. You can see it's quite proofed. I think we're on the 5th day now, and it recommends that you keep it in the refrigerator for at least 3 days. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Now the dough guy goes up to 550 degrees on his ovens. But when I did that the first time I tried, I set off my smoke alarms. So we're going to go with a little lower temperature. Now you can see it's quite proofed here. Just going to dump it out onto the surface. And I want to start in the middle and work out. I'm trying to avoid the edges. Now the dough is nice and warm, so it's easier to work with. I'm going to flip it over and do the same on the other side. Just keep working it out as much as you can. This should make about a 14 to 16 inch round. Now another tricky part here that I'm still practicing is picking it up and stretching the dough. If you see part of the dough that's really thinning, you just avoid that part. Now I do have a pizza steel, and I bought it on Amazon recently, and I'm still getting used to it. I had to get one to fit my oven, so it's kind of a rectangular one. Now I'm going to take my pizza peel and I'm going to flour it very well because I want to scoop it up. Now I don't have semolina flour, but they recommend that you have semolina flour to make it come off the peel easier. Okay, and I'm going to make it on the peel so I can slide it off onto my steel in the oven. Now I've been preheating my oven at 450 degrees for 45 minutes with the steel in there. So just making sure that it's nice and heated. Okay, first I'm going to put pizza sauce down, just a very thin layer. I'll put the ingredients in the description box below. It's a very simple recipe made with tomatoes, salt, a little bit of sugar, and some oregano. You're not going to want your pizza too wet, so I put about 1/4 cup on there, and I'm just going to spread it out and leave a little bit of edge here. And pizza is, of course, a very versatile thing. You can put the toppings that you want on it. I'm going to start with a sprinkling of Pecorino Romano cheese. That gives it kind of a nice sharp flavor. Then I have a mixture of whole and skim shredded mozzarella. So I'm going to put a layer right on top of that Pecorino Romano. And then we like pepperoni and sausage. So I'm going to sprinkle a little sausage on that. And this is Italian sausage that I've already pre-cooked. And then I've got some pepperoni. Now when that pepperoni cooks up, it's gonna curl up and have nice crispy edges, which is what we love. All right, come on over to the stove with me and I'll show you how hopefully I get this on the steel. Okay, cross your fingers. All right, I got it on there. I think one little piece of sausage fell off, so hopefully it doesn't start a fire. Okay, I set the pizza in a 450-degree oven, and I've set the timer for about 8 minutes, but I'll check it along the way. I just want it to be nice and bubbly. I want those pepperonis to be crispy and lightly brown around the edges. So we'll be back when it's done. Okay, what do you think, guys? It's been in for 13 minutes at 450. All right, what do you think? That's about right for me. Pepperonis are nice and crispy, lightly browned. I think this is gonna be great. And not too burnt. So when I took it out, I put it on a rack just so it wouldn't sweat and get soggy. But it feels like it's really nice and crispy. It's gonna be just perfect. We're gonna let it cool for just a minute and then we'll put some cheese and squirt a little bit of this oil around the edges just to keep it nice and soft. I think it is cool enough. I'm gonna get my pizza cutter out. I'm gonna just give it a little squirt around the edges. Love that flavor of that olive oil. Give it a finish of Parmesan cheese. I think it's looking good. Nice and crispy, brown around the edges. And that pepperoni is curled up just like we like it. All right, let's cut into this. All right, let's do the flop test. No flop? I think it passes. Oh, looks delicious. Did you hear that crunch? That's absolutely delicious. I'm going to put all of the ingredients and instructions in the description box below. And in another video, I'll show you how I made my dough. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hope's Homemade Kitchen as we made pepperoni sausage pizza. We'll see you next time.